Wanaka is a wonderful place to live. Love to ski, hiking's great. It's a tight community, just perfect. I was always interested in solar. The house wasn't built with solar on it. SolarZero was introduced to me actually by a very good friend who's the engineer for SolarZero, Mark. So I knew about the business, and it just seemed to me to be a no-brainer, especially for our situation, to do that type of solar installation. And the weather down here, of course, is perfect for solar too. I like the fact that, well, first of all, that I don't have to put a big chunk of change down to install it. I just didn't want to hassle with it. I didn't want to hassle with the ongoing maintenance, and especially because of SolarZero's policy about replacing the batteries after a certain period of time and always doing maintenance on it and monitoring it constantly. And then they also did an assessment of the house about which circuits would be best to use in an outage situation so that we could still stay in the house and be functional without having to deplete the battery immediately. And in this case, they did the kitchen so that we still could have a functional kitchen and refrigerator, and another circuit that the internet is on so that we both had communication and that they could also have the continuous monitoring. The several times that there's been outages or I've had problems develop, they know pretty much right away because they're monitoring the system, and they can let me know if there's issues that I need to know about. So two big users that I have are a plug-in hybrid and a spa pool. And what I've been able to do now that I have solar, because they both are quite significant users, is to have the principal charging of the car during the daytime hours when the solar panels are working, and the same thing with the spa pool. The principal heating is the daytime hours. So that has significantly decreased my cost too. So it's easily paying for itself and definitely saving some money too because of the solar generation and also the sell back to Ecotricity when we have excess power during the year. I promote it to everyone. I go to places where there's all these empty roofs and no solar panels. I immediately called my friend Mark, who's the solar engineer, and said, you guys need to get over here and talk to these people because they're missing out on a huge opportunity.